Zoom chat. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Taylor, I know you can do this. Excellent. What if I have to add something or ask a question? Go ahead and raise your hand. We're raising our hand for this. Raising our hand. Excellent. And then what if I forget to turn in an assignment at the end of class? Just, I don't know, look stressed out or sad. One of the two. Oh no, because then you won't get any credit for it. But I know that will not be a problem with Reynolds' house. Okay, are you guys ready? Are you ready for your quiz? Your time to climb. Let's go over the expectations. Who's somebody who won yesterday? All right, Braylon, go ahead and unmute yourself. What setting should we do for our time to climb? Should it be the space? Should it be underwater? What do you think, Braylon? Can you go ahead and put that away from your camera? Thank you. Perfect.
Underwater.
Yeah. Underwater, you got it. All right. Everybody, go ahead on your Nearpod. Pull it up. Pull up your Nearpod. And go ahead and pick your character. Javiana's there. Damali's there. Javea is there. Taylor, Braylon, Anaya, Tamia, Vakaya, Andre, Dakota. Ooh, we've got 12 people there. I need 17 students connected. Ooh. Ready, 5, 4. These are different questions from yesterday. They're going to be more difficult. Ready, set, and go. Okay, get ready for your first question. Get ready for your first questions, ladies and gentlemen. It's going to be, what is one thing you should bring? Oh, it's not showing. Why can't I see this?
You have to hide to name.
Oh, I see it now. Taylor's in the lead, followed by Dakota, followed by Zach. Oh no, Braylon's up. What's one item you must have with you for class? How do I earn my 5 points each day? Oh, this one's going to be tricky. You better answer or look through all the answers. Braylon's in the lead, followed by Taylor, followed by Cassie, followed by Javiana, followed by Dakota, followed by Micaiah. Somebody take Braylon out. Here we go. Next one. What should I do if I need to go to the bathroom? Come on, Cassie. Come on, Taylor. Come on, Javiana. Fifteen seconds.